Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to launch the ChatGPT desktop app using your own custom shortcut key in your Windows PC. No more searching or clicking, just press a key combo and it will open your ChatGPT app instantly. So I have already have the ChatGPT installed in my PC, as you can see guys in my screen. So now I want to create the keyboard shortcut key to open the app. So in the start menu, just search ChatGPT app. So if you don't have the ChatGPT app, then simply search it on Google and download and install it. Okay, so right click on that app, go to open file location. Okay, so now right click on your shortcut key and here you can get the option copy as path. Just select this. Okay, the file path was now copied. So now right click on your desktop empty space, go to new and create the shortcut. Okay, and now you need to paste that file path here and then simply click on next and give your shortcut name. It was already selected ChatGPT and then click on finish. That's it. Now your app shortcut was created on your desktop. Now right click on that created shortcut, go to properties, go to shortcut tab, and in the shortcut key here you need to assign your keyboard shortcut key. I will set it control key, shift key and then C. Okay, and then click on apply and click on OK. So just remember that shortcut key which you have created and then click on OK. So now let's see it will work or not. I will press control key, shift key and then C from my keyboard. So as you can see guys in my screen, the ChatGPT was instantly opening when I am pressing Control Shift and C. So this is the easy and very simple method to open the ChatGPT app instantly with the keyboard shortcut key on your Windows PC. So this method you can try on Windows 10, Windows 11. So that's for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.